Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, located in Rohini, Delhi, has received an overall rating of 3.7 from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BTech courses offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements, which are rated 3.6 stars. According to the NIRF 2024, 1,714 students graduated for the 4-year UG program in 2022-23, with 625 students securing placements and 65 students opted for higher studies. The placement rate stood at 61%, showing significant decline over the years. The median salary stood at 6 lakh per annum, showing a 33% rise compared to 2021. Top recruiters included TCS, Infosys, Atlassian, Accenture, Goldman Sachs, offering roles such as software development engineer, software tester, HR, business development associate, data analyst, technical consultant, and several others. The highest salary offered in 2024-25 was 64 lakh per annum. Compared to Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, the median salary offered at Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology is on par. MAIT requires students to complete a 6 to 8 week internship, while on-campus options are limited. Companies like Adobe and Infosys recruit here, while off-campus opportunities are available. Shifting focus to academics, where MAIT is rated 3.7 stars on Shiksha.com. It offers 11 BTech specializations, including AI and ML, mechanical, and electrical and electronics engineering. Admission is based on JEE Main IPU CET scores, with some relaxation and cutoffs for most branches compared to 2023. Talking about the cost, the program fee for 4 years is 7.44 lakhs and hostel fees ranges between 7.04 lakhs to 10.8 lakhs. Scholarships are awarded in the form of fee waivers and financial assistance. Let's now take a look at the infrastructure, rated 3.7 stars. MAIT's 8-acre Wi-Fi-enabled campus features lecture halls, labs, a library, and sports facilities. Students find the infrastructure satisfactory, though the campus size is smaller. Only a boys' hostel is available and girls stay in nearby PGs. The campus provides strict vegetarian meals and has sports facilities like basketball and tennis. Now, regarding the faculty and course, rated 3.8 stars. The faculty members are highly qualified, with most of them holding PhD and MTech degrees. Students appreciate the teaching quality and supportiveness. A minimum attendance of 75% is required to sit for exams, and passing percentage is 33%. MAIT has collaborated with institutions like Intel, NASSCOM Future Skills Prime, DST Indo-Russia Joint Collaboration, and Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited. Moving on now to the campus life, rated 3.7 stars. It includes professional, technical, and cultural societies and events like the annual Techno-Cultural Fest, Tech Surge, and Mridang, along with seminars, industry interactions, workshops, and industrial visits. Lastly, Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology is in the 201 to 300 rank band in the NIRF 2024 engineering category. For more details on Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, Rohini, Delhi, and to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below, and don't forget to like and share this video.